Have you ever noticed price suddenly retraced to certain levels, like it's being pulled by a magnet? These levels are called fair value gaps, or FVGs, and they hold the key to understanding liquidity imbalances. Welcome back to Crypto Hub HQ, where we decode crypto trading strategies. Fair value gaps, or FVGs, are price inefficiencies that occur when trading activity is heavily one-sided, leaving unfilled gaps in the market. These gaps create areas of imbalance that the market often revisits to achieve equilibrium. Liquidity is the driving force behind FVGs. When price moves too quickly in one direction, it leaves behind untraded zones, which act as magnets for future price retracements. These gaps often contain untapped liquidity. FVGs become even more significant when they form during a break of structure, or BOS. A BOS signals a shift in market sentiment, and FVGs in these areas often serve as retracement points before the trend continues. Think of FVGs as price magnets. When price retraces to fill these gaps, it's often collecting liquidity left behind. This retracement creates opportunities for traders to enter the market with better precision. In our future videos, we'll show you exactly how and when to enter trades using these setups. Fair value gaps are more than just price gaps. They're windows into market imbalances and liquidity. At Crypto Hub HQ, we make complex trading concepts easy to understand. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights.